spacious and rectangular living and the dining area, which comes up with a L-shaped platform. So this is the most spacious room of the house. What if I tell you one address that gives you 75 reasons to not move out during your weekends and which is IGBC certified as well? Well, this is all about Traffic Tower Enza in Sarjapur. Hello everyone and very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of Traffic Tower Enza by Traffic Tower Projects located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. Where I'm standing on the main entrance. So the main entrance of our project will be coming up over here on Kadagrahara main road. And once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself and the marketing office is ready inside over here where you can check out the 3D model and even the miniature as well. Now before starting the video, I would like to introduce you all with Housey. What exactly Housey is? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview via 3D model. Our project is spread across 6.5 acre of land parcel consisting of 2 high-rise towers with each tower of 2 basement ground and goes up to 36 floors where we have options of 2 and 3 BHK premium homes. And now coming to those 75 reasons which won't let you move out on your weekends. Yes, Traffic Tower project offers you 75 plus luxurious amenities. A 30,000 square feet of grand clubhouse which includes all the indoor amenities. Party lawn, swimming pool with deck, amphitheatre, half an acre of cricket stadium, football ground, skating ring, badminton court, basketball court and many more luxurious amenities. If I talk about location, then our project is located bang on Kadagrahara main road in Kommisandra, Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing on the main entrance of our project and this is the Kadagrahara main road. Well, this road will connect you towards Sompura and the opposite side road will take you towards Ramasandra road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part where you can connect to Head Start Education Academy in 2.3 kilometers from our project. DMart Sarjapur is 3.6 kilometers away and Sarjapur Circle which is just 4.2 kilometers from our project. So now this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1745 square feet super built up area. So let's have a walkthrough of this model flat. Starting with the main entrance, so once you enter through the main entrance, we have a digital door lock for your security purpose and even the privacy is maintained with this foyer area. So let's focus upon the foyer area where they have a separate shoe rack space which is tucked inside. Now this foyer area will lead you towards your spacious and rectangular living and the dining area. So this is your living area, specifically designed for your reference with the L-shaped sofa set. So basically you can fit in your L-shaped sofa set or else even your couch, your teapot and even the TV unit space is offered right in front over here. Now about the second part, that is your dining area. So easily you can fit in your 6-seater of dining table in this vertical way and here's the cutlery space as well. Now we have a perfect balcony, a connecting balcony right this side which comes up with the anti-skid flooring, iron railing and you can enjoy a perfect scenery from this balcony. Now once you move inside, let me inform you about the flooring that all the common space and 2-bedroom comes up with the Kajaria tiles. Now diagonally opposite to your dining area, we have a kitchen space which is again beautifully designed for your reference. So here's the kitchen area which comes up with a L-shaped platform. We can easily fit in your L-shaped platform. The sink area is right over here. Additionally, we have an enclosed utility space which comes up with aluminium French window with the iron railing. And talking about the provision for your machines, which is right over here, so you can fit in your machines right this side. Additionally, the serving platform is offered this way, so you can add in your serving platform as well. Now let's explore the bedroom space. So your two bedroom are on the one side of the house, one bedroom on the other side. Now before moving inside, I would like to inform you one thing that will be helpful for you, as Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount to a builder and later on try to cancel your booking, in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else, even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out. Now let's quickly move inside your bedroom number 1, which is right this side. So once you move inside, as focusing upon the flooring, as mentioned, we'll be having the Kajaria tiles over here, and this is your kids' bedroom. So they have added up the bunk bed to maintain the space, and there is ample of space over here. You can have a look. Additionally, we have a window which comes up with the iron railing and aluminium French window, so that once you open it, you can get a perfect Juliet balcony view. We have a cupboard, that is the wardrobe space on the both the side. So even you can add up your kids study table over here, and we have a storage space above as well. So this was all about your kids bedroom. Now once you exit this room, we have a common washroom right outside this bedroom with the easy access. Here we have a sink area, and this is your washroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Moving towards your next bedroom, which is just beside your bedroom number 1. So here's the entrance, and once you enter, this is your room space. So here's the bed space exactly in front of me, and just behind we have the wardrobe space, the huge wardrobe area. Even if you want, you can add the wardrobe in a halfway, and that side you can add up your work table. Now talking about the ventilation and lighting part in this room, so we have a perfect balcony. So here comes the balcony, perfect for ventilation and lighting in this room. And you can have a look at the balcony, which is actually much more spacious with anti-skid flooring and iron railing that gives you two-side open view. Now once you step inside over here, again we have a private washroom for this room. So opposite we have a private washroom which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now once you exit this room, now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom, which is on the opposite side, and here's the entrance. But before moving inside, I would like to introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now the wait is over, and we'll be moving inside your master bedroom to check out and explore this room. So this is the most spacious room of the house, and the uniqueness is the flooring, that it comes up with a proper wooden flooring. And here we have a window, the similar window again, which you can open up and get a Juliet balcony view. We have a bed space in the center where you can easily fit in your two-side table as well. And the wardrobe space is over here, so you can fit in your wardrobe. You can even fit in your work table over here. and the TV unit space. Talking about the washroom, yes, this bedroom comes up with a master washroom which is right in front with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Traffic Tower Projects. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.